Good morning everyone, this is the ENT student. I am going to talk about septoplasty. EN 4.24 Enumerate the indications, observe and describe the steps in septoplasty. Septoplasty is a conservative approach to septal surgery. In this operation, much of the septal framework is retained, only the most deviated parts are removed. Rest of the septal framework is corrected and repositioned by plastic means. Indications of septoplasty: deviated septum causing nasal obstruction on one or both sides as a part of septorhinoplasty for cosmetic reasons, recurrent epistasis from the spur, sinusitis due to septal deviation making contact with lateral nasal wall and causing headache. For approach to middle meatus or frontal recess in endoscopic sinus surgery when deviated septum obstructs the wave and access to these areas. Access to endoscopic dacryocystorynostomy operation in some cases as an approach to pituitary fossa, that is transseptal transsphenoidal approach. Septal deviation causing sleep apnea or hypopnea syndrome. Steps in septoplasty: infiltrate the septum with 1% lignocaine with adrenaline. In case of deviated septum, make a slightly curvilinear incision 2 to 3 mm above the caudal end of septal cartilage on the concave side. In case of caudal dislocation, a transfixion or hemitransfixion incision is made. The latter is septocolumellar incision between end of septal cartilage and columella. Raise mucoperichondrial or mucoperiosteal flap on one side only. Separate septal cartilage from the vomer and ethmoid plate and raise the mucoperiosteal flap on opposite side of the septum. Remove maxillary crest to realign the septal cartilage. Correct the bony septum by removing the deformed part. Deformed septal cartilage is corrected by various methods such as scoring on concave side, cross-hatching or morcellizing, shaving, wedge excision, further manipulation like realignment of nasal spine, separation of septal cartilage from upper lateral cartilages, implantation of cartilage strip in the columella or dorsum of nose may be required. Transseptal suture are placed to coat mucoperichondrial flap, and the last is nasal pack. These are the steps in the septoplasty. Thank you.